Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the shed. I'm Lonnie. Candace is not out here with me this morning. She did have to take my mother to a doctor appointment. So she should be back here in a couple hours. But for now, it's going to be me and you, and we have some orders to pull. So we're going to get right to it. Have to beat the carrier. It is Monday morning. First thing up is on 3 Alpha. It is, stretch a little bit, try not to knock anything else over. All right, this Maruchi bag. That Maruchi bag sold for $35.99 plus shipping on top. And yes, this, well, it just disappeared. I'm still getting the alert for the glove that we sold last week. It's really getting on my nerves. It seems like that bug would have been easier for them to fix. It seems like it should be a simple fix. I don't know though, maybe not. 2 Delta, we sold American Girl doll. It's supposed to be, here she is right here. This one sold for, I'll walk all the way. I gotta start remembering these prices. $40.49 plus ship. Then in the razor drawer, we sold a belt buckle. This one right here. This little Marlboro belt buckle sold for $10.99 plus shipping on top. Then in the guy drawer, we sold a G.I. Joe fig. Let's see. Let me make sure this is right. Yep, this is definitely it. Beachhead. This guy sold for $22.49 plus ship. And on 3 Charlie, we sold a cookbook. I should have looked better at the title. It's yellow. I should have looked better. Let's see. Oh, I think this Heritage Helpings. I didn't think it looked that thick from the picture, but maybe it is. Dishes in detail. No, it's not it. Okay. Heritage Gourmet Heritage Recipes, College Club, Portland, Maine. This is not it. All right. Okay. Should be right. Oh, you know what? No. All right. Where's this thing at? Wondering if maybe. Oh, this is it here. Okay. And I was right. It's not quite that thick. All right. This cookbook sold for $14.99 plus shipping on top. Okay, on 9 Charlie, we sold a Tupperware thing, a creamer. Yeah, this guy right here. This sold for $8.99 plus ship. Then we sold a Super Mario card. Guess I could have just got the card number, but I didn't. Let's see. We're looking for A25. Oh, it's right up front. It's right here, as a matter of fact. This sold for $5.39. And we had someone make an offer, or offers, on 2 different core lots. The knockoff G.I. Joe figs. Let's see, Digimon has 1 set. Let's move this light out the way. Okay. They're both, let's see, I think this is it here. Yeah, so we got 20 for this one. And then going to the same person in the Joe drawer, we have another pair. It might be these. Yep, it's these. And then $20 for this. So $40 total order for those 4 figs. Yeah, there's that thing right there. It just all day, every day. All right, Beverly drawer. We sold an Odin fig for $9. Okay, this must be him here. Guy with a beard and a cape and stuff. Yeah, this is definitely him. This sold for $9. Then we're going to 5 Foxtrot. 5. Huh, it's right here. Sold this Dymo Label Manager 160. We sold this for $22.49 plus shipping on top. Then we're going to Weirdo $9. When it's actually one of these, it's the namesake of this storage location. Weirdo magazine, sold for $12 plus shipping on top. And we sold a dog costume. I moved the dog boxes. Yeah, we moved a lot of dog boxes. Let's see, we're looking for dog A3. It's going to be a shark costume. Okay, let's see. To figure this out. Dog H. Okay, I got it down. It was actually, I passed by it. It was like right there. Okay, we're looking for dog A3. We've ended up combining a bunch of this stuff. E. Okay, that's dog A1, dog A2, dog A3. Okay, here we go. This is it. Okay, that is a little shark costume. Should be size small. Yep, perfect. We got $12 plus ship for that. All right, and then smalls drawer, we sold a Colt Revolver's belt buckle for how much? How much was it? $10.99 plus ship for that. All right, 5 Bravo left. Wait, let me go double check this. What's this called? Hallmark Artist Favorite Children Express. All right, 5 Bravo left. Hallmark Artist Favorites Children Express. This is it right here. This guy sold for $8.99 plus ship. Then we sold quite a few of these now. Oh, I didn't realize there was going to be that many right here. One of these Charette and Simpson little dog figs. I think, was it this one with the basket? Yeah, it was. This guy sold for $21 plus shipping on top. And on 5 Echo, this is in the $2,000 store buy. Well, a lot of this stuff is. Echo, we sold these dolls. I think they might be in here. Let's see. I think this is them. I'm not surprised she didn't write anything on it. She must have forgot. Let's see. It feels like... I'll grab some scissors. Okay. Check and make sure these are them. I don't want to really unwrap, but I don't have a choice here. Gotta see one of the faces. Okay, yeah, here we go. Definitely them. These are Wizard of Oz dolls. They all have kind of like, they have some issues with them, like I think around the head or something. So we sold them as is, $22.49 plus shipping on top for the lot there. Okay, alien drawer. This has taken a while. It is finally sold. It's a Penn State ashtray, pewter ashtray. That sold for $14.99 plus ship. And on 1 Charlie, we sold this lot of 3 books right here. It's a trilogy. I know this is right because it says Varley on the end. That book lot sold for $13.49 plus ship. Have a few more things to pull, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff packed first. All right, got all those packed. We have a couple more. I saved these for last. Oh, one of which is this lot of Conan books. Oh, okay. I don't know what state of packing this is in, but I know this is it because I wrote 46 on the end. Of course, I'll take a look, but yeah, that was the best part of the paperbacks we bought were the Conan books. We sold 46 of them for $224.99 plus shipping on top. The other thing I'm pulling right now is a Yadro figure. And it is this one, very delicate. Dancer sitting on a chair. Wait, is this the right one? Make sure I got the right one. Yep, this is it. Dancer sitting on a chair. This sold for $135. And I don't know if y'all could tell or not, but that lace going around the dress, that is very, very delicate. So I'm gonna have to be very careful packing that up. All right, y'all, Candace is back. Hey, Candace.
Hi. I've actually been back a while.
Yeah, but we just been in here listing and stuff. I want to show y'all the content. We've been going through a lot of these boxes.
Yes.
Not listing a ton, listing what we can. We might show y'all some of that later. But this next box right here, this one's pretty interesting.
Yeah, I was excited to see this one.
I mean, I don't think it's going to be huge money in there or anything, but at least it's something different.
And it's like, yeah, it's like good pop culture in the box stuff.
Right. And it's, like I said, it's probably going to be pretty cheap stuff for the most part. Maybe, hopefully we'll find a gem or two. Like, look, that's a 6-pack of E.T. in the hoodie.
Yeah.
Those are probably $10 a piece. This is a retail pack that's sealed.
Bubballoons. I've never heard of that.
I haven't heard of it either. I think we might have some
Maybe
in here. Yeah, I think
okay.
It's these.
Okay.
It's these things. And I did see where people are selling them. There's 12 in that box. That's
they're like little vinyls.
Yeah, something. Yeah. I'm not even, honestly, I don't know. I guess they're these things, whatever that is. But yeah, we have this retail case pack here. And then we have a bunch of, y'all see, oh, well is this mini brand stuff here?
Yeah, well, it looks like it. Let me see, just looking at,
Maybe.
No, it's not. That is not.
Is it Shopkins maybe?
Maybe Shopkins, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I've actually had a set with this in it before, the Market.
Okay.
Remember we had that Market thing? So that might be that. I'll have to dig deeper into that.
Okay, and then look, we have all these little mini vinyls and stuff. They're pretty cool. I mean, this kind of stuff is not going to be huge money, but we could put together some lots and make it cheap.
Yeah.
Make it afford. Look,
of those
man, we got a ton of them. Good. Yeah, definitely need to lock that up. That is not something we could probably sell standalone. Let's see, Fortnite Nerf thing. And it's also got a Fortnite little metal fig in there. Might even keep those together.
Some FNAF.
This is a different bobblehead here, Candace.
Oh, it's different?
The one, yeah. The ones that are in here, maybe we could put them together. Other people have done that too. Is that might be, hopefully we have, oh, I see a few more down there, look. Bagged.
Oh, yeah. Let's see what we got.
I hope those are like that.
That is.
Okay, good.
So it looks like we have 5 of those.
At least, unless there's another one in there we haven't come across yet. Okay. Good. So we can make at least 5 lots of 2 of each version of E.T. People have been selling those for like $15 to $20, I think.
We have some Gloomy Bears.
Have you ever heard of that?
No. They look interesting though. They're all different.
Okay.
So yeah,
FNAF. Molly might even like that still. I don't know.
I don't think she
does she do Molly used to be all into FNAF. She's older. I'm talking about like she's a little kid.
Yeah, that was like a few years ago.
But she is still into she does what is that game she plays?
Oh, Minecraft?
No.
Not RuneScape.
What's the other game?
I can't think of it.
Okay, well, I was trying to remember what it's called. Roblox, of course. Yeah. She's played that for years. What else we got?
Pet Simulator.
Okay,
that's about it. And then this is the rest of that stuff.
Okay, we'll give. We do have a bunch of those though. Oh look, we got a bunch of these FNAF things. Yeah. Okay, good. We're gonna be able to put together some
lots, yeah.
Some fun little lots here.
This is perfect for stocking stuffers for the 4th quarter coming up, huh?
Yeah, I mean, it's not
They're
like...
good, they're a good size for stocking stuffers.
It is. It's also nice because we're a lot of the stuff we've been dealing with hasn't been like... Some of it's been like really good condition. A lot of it has not been great condition. So
Yeah.
to come across some stuff that's brand new, and it's all... This box, everything was good condition.
Yeah.
So I'm happy for that. As a matter of fact, this might be our... We've listed maybe $250 worth of stuff today. So up to now, I think this might be the project that takes us through the end of the day right here.
Yep, for sure.
Me and Candace will work on this together.
Yeah.
And get this done. So, all right, we're gonna sign out, get to this, and I think that's gonna be it for this one. Thanks a bunch for watching, and we will see y'all again very soon. Bye, y'all.
Bye.